Imagine being able to take one 10-minute video and turn it into 20 shorts in under 5 minutes with zero editing. Let's do it. So this is what we're looking at today. We're looking at Opus Pro. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn how you can take a long form video, get it into fantastic viral shorts using AI, put the subtitles on and everything, and all that. Captions, I mean, what do I mean? Subtitles, getting old. Right, so you come up here and you can drop a Zoom link, you can put a YouTube link in, a Vimeo link, StreamYard, Loom, various ones, or you can just upload the file. So you can upload there, look. Okay, so and then you click this, get clips in one click. Here's one I made early, but seriously, guys, it takes about 5 minutes. Check it out for yourself. Okay, and what it does, if I open this one up here, right, what you'll see is it took that one video. I'm not sure how long that one was, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So about 18 videos out of that one. All right, it wasn't 10 minutes. I don't think it's probably about 8, 9 minutes. So there's different settings you can have, but the default is to use AI to read the video and understand what bits make sense together and then chop it up into relevant shorts. So this is 42 seconds long. This is 27, 28, 40, 46, 39. So it keeps everything relevant. Now you can adjust the settings, right? I usually just use it out of the box and I've had great results. So if I open this one up, oh, by the way, these scores, these are how likely they are to go viral. So green is good. And in this case, they're all green. And that's part of the AI doing its thing. So if I click on this one here, just as an example, it's giving me like, an A minus for the hook, an A minus for the flow, A minus for value, and an A minus for trend. So that's all pretty good. It gives you a score analysis if you want to do that. I can go ahead and publish it straight on social. I can export it. I can download it if I want to go and edit it maybe in Canva or something like that. I haven't tried this. Auto-generate or upload your own B-roll to your content. I haven't used that personally. And then you can choose the format, but again, default is obviously for short form video like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and so on and so on. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish on social. Oh, you can edit, by the way, if you want to add your own text or whatever. So you can do that. Now I'm going to add this one to my YouTube, no, not YouTube in this case, but I'm going to put it on my TikTok and I'm going to put it on my Ninja Forex Trade Hub because this video is about using some AI software for trading, right? So I'm going to put it on those platforms, okay, and I'm going to click publish now, and away it'll go, and it will put that on what the platforms I've selected for me. Now, what I can do is I can schedule it as well. So I could sit here and I could schedule them, but when this has done its thing, I want to show you something else because what they added recently, which is super cool, is you can select the videos you want and you can click publish all. Here you go, look. So I can select and just select all the videos, select all. Okay, maybe I'll unselect that one because I've just published that one. And then you can actually bulk schedule. So you click bulk schedule and away it goes and you select where you want it to go and it will customize time here. I used 2 hours, but I did it as an experiment. And what happened is YouTube came along after about 4 or 5 weeks and they took away a lot. It's about 70, 80,000 views because that was a blip. What I found is the 4 hours works much better. So you'll put that on every 4 hours. Okay, click save. And then I don't want this one going out to YouTube, and this one, number 2 here, that's all good. So yeah, these are all just going to go to the same place, right? So not my YouTube in this case. The other cool thing about this, there you go, got it. So that's going out. The other cool thing is you can actually have a brand template. So if you want to put a piece on the end of every video that says, hey, go and check out my bio, or here's a link to check out, you can do that with this as well. You can put an intro and outro, you can put an overlay on if you want to put something over it, and that's a graphic, by the way, so that would have to be a graphic. So you can add a graphic to it. But I strongly suggest you go and take a free account with this, link in the description, have a go. And this has been one of the biggest tools I would say that has helped me in growing my YouTube once I started doing that. So go and check it out. It's so worth it. I hope you got value. If you did, click subscribe. I share more tools that I use in my marketing. I'll catch you later.